looking at some activity in the tropics and the last of the thunderstorms starting to settle down across South Florida. We have to keep an eye on this. We'll monitor it, this tropical wave that's trying to get better organized. You can see somewhat of a spin going on here, but there's not much going on near the center of this, or what's trying to become the center. All the thunderstorms are well displaced from the center, an indication that is very disorganized, but it is expected to develop into a depression or a storm as it tracks toward the Leeward Islands. In fact, it has an 80% chance now in the next 5 days of developing into a named storm or depression as it moves first into the Leeward Islands and eventually close to Puerto Rico. And it is an invest now too, which will give us some computer model tracks, spaghetti plots as they're known, and also a better idea on the timing. There's Thursday 8 p.m. so moving into toward Hispaniola. Now model tracks in still very good agreement out through Friday, but Saturday they diverge as it approaches Florida, and that's an issue because there's a high uncertainty on where this is headed after about 3 to 4 days from now. Some of the models, very good models, taking it to the south, some bringing it into Florida, and others keeping it to the east over the Bahamas or even east of the Bahamas on Saturday and Sunday. If it has any impact on our weather, it would be likely into late Saturday and Sunday and perhaps lingering into Monday. It's one that we'll have to watch, and should it develop, it could bring us some gusty winds and some rain. We'll track it for you, and as the models get a little bit better clustered into Saturday and Sunday, we'll have a better idea. The radar tonight starting to settle down after a big day of rain. Strong storms tonight producing 50 and 55 mile an hour winds in Palm Beach County, and some strong winds and heavy rain on the Treasure Coast, but it's almost done. Another hour or two. Tomorrow morning, it'll be partly sunny. We'll see some showers pop up mid-morning, and then a few afternoon storms could be strong because we have some Saharan dust working in. That brings us hazy, hot, and humid weather, even though the temperatures are at 90 or roughly just a little less or warmer than 90. With the heat index, the humidity factor, and it'll feel like 100, so stay hydrated. Our rain chances around 30 to 40% the next few days. Pop late weekend because of that tropical disturbance. Seas running about 1 to 2 tomorrow with a light chop for the inland waters. Looks like a pretty good beach morning. The afternoon gets a little dicey. 76 your first alert forecast overnight. Any rain ending tomorrow. It'll be partly sunny with showers and storms developing in the afternoon. Not as widespread today or this evening, and slightly lower than normal rain chances through Friday and even Saturday, Sunday and Monday, depending on the future track of that tropical system. Keeping a close eye on it could bring us some late weekend rain.